Most people think they're taking care of their car, but in reality, they're ruining it without knowing. These car myths sound logical, but they're actually damaging your car. The last one is a mistake even experienced drivers make. Myth 1. Dish soap is a great car wash soap. It removes grease and dirt, so it must be good for washing your car, right? Wrong. Dish soap strips away wax and protective coatings, leaving your paint vulnerable. Regular use can fade your paint, make it rough, and lead to rust. Always use pH-balanced car shampoo that cleans without damaging your paint. Wash in the shade and dry with a microfiber towel to prevent water spots. If you keep washing with dish soap, your car's paint will fade faster than you think. Myth 2. Engine oil only needs changing when it's black. If the oil isn't dark, it's still good, right? Nope. The truth is old oil loses its lubricating properties even if it doesn't look too dark. Delaying an oil change can cause engine wear and reduce performance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change interval, not just the color. Check the oil level and texture. If it feels thick or gritty, it's time for a change. Waiting until the oil turns black before changing it? You're already damaging your engine. Myth 3. Overinflating your tires saves fuel. More pressure equals less rolling resistance equals better fuel economy? Not so fast. Why it's dangerous? Because overinflated tires wear out unevenly, making them bald in the center. Less tire surface touching the road equals less grip equals higher risk of skidding. The right way is to check the recommended tire pressure inside your car door frame. Underinflation and overinflation both reduce safety and performance. Fuel savings mean nothing if you lose control of your car. Myth 4. The more you polish, the shinier your car gets. Polishing equals instant shine, so doing it more often must be good, right? Polish is an abrasive compound that removes a thin layer of clear coat. Frequent polishing makes your paint thinner, leading to permanent damage. You can use wax or ceramic coating for protection and shine. Polish only when necessary to remove fine scratches, not as a regular routine. Wax protects, polish removes. Know the difference before ruining your paint. Myth 5. Never wash your engine. It will get damaged. Water near the engine? That's a disaster waiting to happen. A dirty engine makes it harder to spot leaks and can trap heat. The key is using the right method, not avoiding cleaning altogether. Avoid directly spraying electrical components. You can use a damp cloth for those areas. Use engine-safe cleaners and a soft brush to gently remove dirt. A clean engine makes it easier to spot leaks, maintain performance, and prevent overheating. Now that you know the truth about these myths, don't let them ruin your car. Which of these myths have you believed before? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car care tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.